concept video, boys and girls. These are an excellent use item for here in the vehicle. Trouble is, they cost 89 cents a piece, and I get 3 or 4 cooks out of one of them, just to make hot coffee. This one, well, just a minute, let me grab my headlamp. This one is bone dry, burned out. Well, what should I do? Should I throw this can away? Or should I, as a good Yankee, find a way to make use of it? Let's make use of it. What you see there is almost exactly what was in the can in the first place, except this is not Jell. This is just a small portion out of a 1-gallon can of denatured alcohol. That's right, denatured alcohol. Not methyl, because guess what? Denatured is methyl. Or is it ethyl? Never could keep them broads straight. Yeah. Here's the thing, okay? 1 gallon of denatured alcohol at Home Depot cost me, it's just under $18. The same amount of alcohol in these cans was costing me more than $50. These cans contain honestly, I don't think it says on here, but and this label's pretty well burned up. But I believe it's not more than 2 ounces of alcohol. But now that it's been burned out and all the gel is gone, this can will actually hold over 5 ounces of liquid alcohol. It's because of that gelling agent inside that it is so little an amount, almost but not quite burned out. And honestly, I find that by putting liquid back in the can and burning it as a liquid rather than in a gel, it cooks faster, it cooks hotter, and just in general works better. So that's what I'm going to do with it. Here's the problem though. Because it's liquid and not gel, it is subject to spilling, and if it's a light well, it spills, and you're inside your vehicle, you're subject to burning your vehicle to the ground. So rather than put 5 to 6 ounces in there all at one time, I'm going to put 1. God bless me. Be better. Nobody else can. Just an analogy. So here's the idea. By putting only 1 ounce in there, I'm hopefully going to eliminate as much risk of dumping over burning alcohol and burning the truck down. And it'll give me a better way of timing and so on. Because I know 1 ounce of alcohol will bring 2 cups to a full rolling boil just before it runs out. But since my teapot holds 3 cups, I'll have to probably add just a little bit more of the alcohol. Probably go 1.5 ounces or 1 1/3 ounces, just to be sure I have enough to get the full 3 cups to a boil. But then again, making coffee, unless you're boiling coffee grounds, you don't want it to actually reach the full boil. You want it to, 190, 95 would be fine, because you're just dissolving instant. So, like I said, I'm going to try it with just 1 ounce, and I'll get back to you later.
By the way, don't forget to